Jeff Mix, Realty One Group, Homes and Inspirada.com, Inspirada TV. Anyhow, we're starting from back here because I wanted to kind of show how this property is tucked in back this way, which is kind of cool. Leanne's over there peeking. Okay. Anyhow, so of course the alleyway is back there with the garage where you would come in. Can't see a thing. And there's Leanne.
Hey.
Okay, what's the skinny on this one?
Oh, it's super cute. It's I love the front porch. It's so cute. This one has 3 bedrooms. It has a full bath, a 3/4 bath, and a half bath. It is 2 stories, and it's 1,736 square foot.
Okay, and let me just show you why I like these units, because you get all the side windows. You have no one on the side, so it's almost like a single family home. Let me push pause because I have to see what the code was.
So let's go take a look.
Okay. Yeah, this is one of my favorite floor plans. So the other end unit of these KBs is 19 and change. I've always preferred this one myself. So super white, or as my friends call me, muy blanco. All right, so 42-inch shaker cabinets, really good looking slab here.
Super clean. Super clean. Oh, I love the big sink. Great white cabinets. It's really clean. I love all the windows. It's so bright in here. It looks amazing.
So.
Oh, look at this. I love some extra
and
storage.
A nice rollout there.
Yes, that's amazing.
I don't know if there's rollouts here. Yep, rollout.
Those are so handy. It makes it so much easier to get to things.
Okay. Yeah, rollouts here too. So rollouts throughout. Rollout throughout. So downstairs laundry. Check out the garage. Okay, so higher ceilings, tankless water heater.
Nice. Okay. Nobody wants a cold shower. Pantry.
Okay, and I think this goes under the stairs, yes?
Oh, yeah.
So.
Storage. I love it.
Yeah, so all tile down. What's the price again?
This one is priced at $428,888.
So $428, just under $430K. Let's head upstairs. Carpet looks in pretty good shape. This is where we always ask you to like and subscribe. We're working our butts off trying to grow our channel here, and it's about 110 degrees out this afternoon.
But it feels great in here, so the air conditioning is working.
Maybe we just finished filming right here and stand here for a second. Okay. So this would be the shared bath for the other 2 bedrooms. Again, with KB, it's always an upgrade to have a double vanity and 2 sinks. But it's so nice because when it's all said and done, it's not as ideal. So bedroom 1, super bright.
Yeah. And these are both located on the back side of the house, and then the primary is on the front. Just so it gives you a little separation.
All right. Bedroom 3. Almost feel like we should turn down the air for them because it's really blasting cold in here.
Turn it up. I know, it's super cold. Maybe set too low.
Yeah.
It's at 70.
Oh, let's.
I don't think we can do it though, so You must have it programmed or something. That's the primary, so this is good space. Super cute.
Closet with a window.
See some mountains outside. That's always fun.
So with these townhomes, you have your outdoor living space in the front. And the cool thing about Inspirada is it's such a mix of styles, of homes, of price ranges, and it's all kind of just mixed together.
And people.
And people.
Amazing.
That's the amazing part of Las Vegas. Dual sinks, Roman tub, and
that's probably a storage closet.
Pretty a deep closet. So
this house has great storage.
What year was this built?
This was built in 2020.
2020. So just a few years old. So Jeff Mix, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com. Please like and subscribe to our channels. We've got nearly 70 videos by the time you see this one up on YouTube. We do this every week. We've got floor plans, and our website has every listing from every brokerage. So no need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this, just call us. All right, thanks.